Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we are going to show you how to deposit your Pudo parcel. Yeah, how to send courier using Pudo, right? So what you do is here's the price. These are the prices, very affordable. So today we're going to be depositing something very small, and we paid 50 rand into our account. So what you do is you download the app, as you can see, and then you register, and then once you've logged in, you buy credits. So you can buy from 50 to 200 rand, depending on the size of the parcel. So as you can see, what's this, the lockers, the lockers there, you can see it's different sizes. I just want to show you this one. This is the one for 60 rand, this one is for 50 rand, and this one should be for 100 rand, right? And then this should be for 150, and then the bigger ones should be for 200. Okay guys, so I went on the app and I booked the parcel. As you can see, it says book, and what you do is you select the locker of your choice, according to the size, right? And then then you hit to the locker, the one you've selected. So there's different locations and stuff. So this one is in the garage, as you can see. Okay guys, so we are going to start now. Okay, you're gonna click on the screen. It says you must press on the thing. Okay, all right, there we go. So you get welcome to Pudo. What do you want to do? You're gonna say you want to drop off, right? Okay, we have our pin. It was sent to my phone number and also my email, so I'm gonna insert the pin. Okay guys, before, as you can see, I'm sending a CD for one of our clients, and as you can see, it's really small, right? So we are going to enter the pin. So it's 601-922. Okay, then you say okay, then it opens. So make sure you have like all the information. Okay, anyway, the drivers are going to print out the details and then paste it on top of the thing when they come to collect. Okay, so make sure when it opens, you run to it, because once it closes, then it's gonna say parcel deposited. Let's say there's wind and stuff, it's very, very important to check, actually, to come and hold it, stand here and insert. So this is how big it is. It's quite spacious, guys, as you can see. All right, then you close. Then it says thank you for using the Pudo service. So you see how quick it is, guys, how quick and easy it is. So there we go. So do not forget, what they do is they take 1 to 4 working days, and I really love using Pudo, guys. If you are in Johannesburg and you're sending something in Johannesburg, chances are high that they will deliver the following day or same day if you dropped it off in the morning. And that's how simple it is. Okay
guys, you can see after what all the steps we done in the video to send our stuff, you get me? So Pudo you can find it on the garage, in shopping malls, centers. Like if you're staying around Sandton, we have you see in Woodmead shopping center there's Pudo, and also here in Gallo Manor there's one, So those are the ones I know around here. You can see that's the thing. So it's on by the garage here. Yeah, by this garage, Sasso garage. So you can see Sasso garage. Let me show you. You can see Sasso garage. Yeah, that's Sasso. So yeah, that's it, I think. And if you need anything regarding on the sending, you can always put something in the comment box below, because we really want to do many videos which help people on doing stuff, you get me? So even if the topic is not on about sending stuff, but we've been using also PEP to send stuff like this parcel. I'm sending it to Google in Val. It's something like 70 kilometers from here, but it doesn't matter how long, how far is the distance. What matters is how big is the box. They have boxes based on on the sizes. The bigger the size, the money you pay. It doesn't matter you're gonna send the parcel 2 kilometers or you're gonna send the parcel in Devon. We in Johannesburg now. I can send to Cape Town using the same money as long as the box is the same. I can send to Kimberley, I can send to Devon, I can send to Northern Cape, Western Cape, all those areas using same thing. But I don't know if in future they're gonna extend their hand to neighboring countries like Swaziland, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, like Botswana, like maybe Mozambique, Namibia, all those countries which are close to us. Maybe they might one day extend the hand, like maybe you send Pudo and it goes using the same you use the same money, because now maybe they can charge a little bit extra, but here they charge same money, like flat rate, which is good for us. You cannot drive to Val to send something small where you're gonna spend 200 rand. You better give them 70-60 rands. They send you something small. Maybe you're gonna send somebody a phone or a memory card, or a memory stick. By this time I was sending a CD. You get me? Somebody wanted a CD. I'm sending that CD, and it's gonna cost me less. Sorry for the noise in the background. There's this naughty child here, you see. So sorry about that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.